Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we'll be exploring the Powerviz Date Picker visual in Power BI. I'll show you how to set up the default selection feature and sync your slicers across multiple pages for a seamless user experience. Let's get started. Once you've set up the Date Picker visual in your landing page, let's head over to the advanced settings under default selection. Let's make a selection. I'm going to choose this week, click on apply. I now have the default selection applied to my visual on my landing page. Let's copy this visual and head over to the report page 1. Paste this visual here and then hit the sync button, and then let's repeat the process for report page 2 as well. I'm going to paste the visual and click on the sync option here. And in case you miss out on syncing them while you paste these visuals, all you have to do is go back into your sync slicers option and then make sure that all of these visuals are synced. Once you've done that, let's head back into report page 1. Except for the landing page, you will have to go back into the default selection and clear the selection that you have made here. Click on apply. Make sure that you do not have default selection in rest of the pages. Let's go back to report page 2, go to the advanced settings, default selection. Let's clear this selection and then click on apply. And now let's go back to our landing page. Let me now make a different selection now. I'm going to choose from 1st of Feb to 8th of Feb. Click on apply. Now let's go to the report page 1. We're now able to sync our slicer from our landing page to report page 1. We have made our selection from 1st Feb to 8th Feb. Likewise, we have made our selection in our report page 2 as well from 1st Feb to 8th Feb. And that's it. You've successfully set up and synced your date picker slicer. Thanks for watching.